Seems like often folks are graduating these days and they're not really learning about the philosophy and not really, so they're doing something that's other than chiropractic. And the folks that work with you seem to be able to get back on track and practice chiropractic based on the philosophies and principles that it was founded on. Can you talk a little bit about, why being grounded in the philosophy is a requisite before you could really go out there and practice chiropractic as it's intended?
Well, the philosophy isn't being taught in schools today to any degree. There may be one or two that teach it. But what's the purpose of the philosophy? Why do you have to have, and why should you have the philosophy incorporated in your practice and in your lifestyle? Because the philosophy of chiropractic is the reasons why you do things. Why do you do certain things? Why don't you do certain things? And also, it is a way of life. Once you incorporate the philosophy into your practice and into your life, you think differently, you act differently. You don't act and think like the rest of the world does. You think like a chiropractor, which is different. And we have pioneers that spent time in jail. We have pioneers that only went to school for 1 year and went to school for 18 months who were highly successful chiropractors, namely because what they knew mostly was the philosophy of chiropractic, the principle of chiropractic, where to adjust, and when not to adjust, simply because they used instrumentation and they had good training in being able to learn how to adjust properly at the right time, in the right place, and the right direction. And it seems to me that's missing today in the chiropractor that graduates from school today, not having the philosophy, not having the principle, not having the intention to do the things that are necessary to locate and correct a vertebral subluxation and maintain that, are losing the game. We have an awful lot of young people that are giving up chiropractic, that are selling their practice and working for somebody else or taking a factory job or what have you. It just really doesn't make any sense. The philosophy is a necessary ingredient for the practice of chiropractic.
Thanks.